Look at the grain jumping into the little wagon. Isn't that cute?
Oh yeah.
I told Bob that there was the beard and the fluffy hair that's growing.
Yeah. We can do more. Yeah.
I wouldn't want to walk there.
Arvid Benson purchased this, and Arvid drove it. That's the tractor. Five, Alice Crawler. And I wanted to show the people, we haven't put it down, and show the people what we do. Maybe have a gas tank before, you put a fuel tank up, maybe across the yard to the gas tank. So you run across the yard, you take the gas down, North Dakota. You used to work for the hydro department. It's so different when you go to Canada. First time I went to Canada, the tracking show, they said, well, you want... And here we have the Rock Island Power Company, the Hyder. horsepower. They always rated them on the boiler horsepower. One of the things with boiler horsepower, they also it would do the work of 18 horse. But tractors, every year we lose a member. We just lost a member here 2 weeks ago. Norm Ellington, 49 years old, in an industrial accident, died. And he always wore these red polka dots. That's why you see a lot of red polka dot hats. They're all wearing them to represent all. Family, and that's Eric Hunt, the son of Bob Hunt, and it should say Bob Hunt on it. Bob was 75 years old now today, but he died prematurely. 1911 4070 Flower City, owned by Robert Leapel, Bob Glass, and Norman Cross. And the late Norman Saunders, and they're operating it. And here we have the one and only Klinger. Klinger is the man of the hour. If you've got problems starting or stopping on the parade road, Klinger is right there. It's always an IH. He used to drive a W. You have one and the only 45 Minneapolis. This is the largest engine on the showground. It needs boiler work, and so we only deal. The Buffalo Springfield steamroller. It took 30 years for Frank Orr to get this thing operational, and last year was the maiden voyage that it made and got it operating. The rear. The Van Drumley. Good working engine, fitted a tractor pulls. It's outstanding engine for pullability. I mean, their son team, I can't say enough good about the people. They have some different stuff. So this is a Canadian 28 horse. And Mike Arstead, his family is the owner. They're from Parker's Ferry, Minnesota.